Well, I'm a rooster of wood, I do what a good man should. Hallelujah, Lord is good, 'cause I can see the shooting stars, I can see old Mars. One for the bomb, two for the farm, three to keep warm in the storm. Two for the money, two for the honey, three to be lucky. I'm the kind of man living for the land you'll never understand. I don't check my watch, though let me tell you what I got. I'm smooth as ice, I'm dark as night. Have you ever heard of fire and ice? When the ice hits the sunlight, 'cause baby, you can't get much better. I'll pick up a boulder like it's light as a feather. My back can't get much stronger, and I ain't got no silver dollar. If you're a cigar, then I'm the wine, and I'm always doing fine, 'cause I'm a rooster of wood. And yet here I stood, strong as oak, just a common folk, and I'm always in the mood for some good old food. A simple farmer, a long forgotten struggler, though I can't get much stronger, 'cause I'm a rooster of wood. And if only I could be as strong as iron, with the speed of a lion, with the planets and the stars. I got a lion's roar, and I'm stubborn as a boar. But if you look inside, all you'll find, reborn is a man who stood once a good old rooster of wood, strong as oak, just a common folk.